This is the 16-piece Arsenal detailing set from Chemical Guys. This has everything you're going to need to protect your investment and keep your ride looking amazing. They give it to you in a nice giftable box. You get the wash bucket with the suds maker that goes in the bottom. You're going to get the streak-free window and glass cleaner, the Mr. Suds car wash, the sticky citrus wheel cleaner, total interior cleaner and protectant, the tire kicker tire shine, and the butter wet wax. If you haven't seen how the butter wet wax works, this stuff is so cool for fixing minor imperfections in your finish. They're also going to give you their viral foam blaster pro. This is like a foam cannon, but you don't need a pressure washer. This is how you get your car nice and foamy just with using a garden hose. They'll give you microfiber towels, microfiber sponges, the little wash mitt, and the wheelie brush. This is going to be a great gift for any car enthusiast, and it's going to be just great to have in your garage to keep your vehicle looking fresh. Now, they have sold out of the 16-piece before, so if you want to grab this configuration before it's gone again, I'm going to put the link right at the bottom of the video so you can.